our SSD and RAM upgrade. This laptop takes 8 minutes to boot up. Let's begin with a 120GB solid-state drive and another 4GB of RAM. Let's remove the old mechanical hard drive and install the new solid-state drive. Time to add the extra 4GB of RAM. Installing a fresh copy of Windows 10 Professional. Now that the upgrade is complete, let's check the laptop's boot up time. This laptop now boots up in just 21 seconds. After a complete clean, inside and out, the laptop is now ready to be collected and enjoyed by its owner. Feel free to contact us for more amazing upgrade deals.